Are you tired of the errors that your camera throws at you when you configure it on your cell phone? You don't know how to add it to the application? We are going to show you how to do it quickly and easily. Let's work with the Wi-Fi camera application, FTY Cam Pro, one of the most common and popular applications of the moment. We start. On this occasion we are going to work with a spotlight type Wi-Fi security camera, also known as light bulb camera. One of the most popular and economical cameras of the moment. Despite its economy, we can confirm that the manufacturer includes everything necessary for its installation. Also an instructional manual to guide the process in the application, which is positive for it. This model requires power supply like a conventional E27 bulb. If not available, this camera includes a socket type connector that we can use for connection. Once the application has been downloaded and registered, we can start the configuration in your cell phone. Once the application has been downloaded and your session has started, we proceed to connect the bulb type Wi-Fi camera to the power supply. This allows the camera to carry out the verification process, rotations, lighting, which allows us to know that it is in perfect condition to continue to the next step. If your camera does not rotate normally, it is important to confirm its status to be able to continue with the next connection step on your cell phone. We move on to the next step. The first thing we are going to confirm is that we are connected to a 2.4G Wi-Fi network, since this version is not compatible with a 5G network. With the application open on our cell phone, we check Add Device and use the Bluetooth connection option to check if this camera is compatible with this method. The next thing we proceed to do, having checked the Bluetooth connection method, is to place the Wi-Fi network where we are going to add the camera and its password. We click on Search 1 and the application shows us the detected camera with the letters FTZ. When looking at this camera, we click on its name and the application allows us to select the option to configure the camera. This method is excellent because our camera is configured in an automated and simple way. When rotating and confirming by audio, the camera restarts to be added to the access point and be able to watch it in real time. At this point we can see in the application the icon at the top that shows a device available to connect. And by clicking on it we access playback and we can now manage our Wi-Fi camera. It is now possible to take photos, videos, make surveillance settings, share the camera and more. This application allows you to connect several cameras at the same time, make continuous recordings by placing micro SD memories, hear what is happening in the place, communicate from your cell phone and more. A practical, simple and functional application to monitor your spaces. We hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments section and don't forget to subscribe to enjoy our new content.